I felt a sneeze coming and tried to hold it in because it was way too quiet for a full explosion. I thought I had it under control until it came out as this half sneeze.
Half whistle noise.
I don't even know how my body made that sound.
It wasn't a sneeze. It wasn't a cough. It was something in between, like a squeaky toy deflating.
After that, I didn't even want to sneeze normally anymore. Because what was that like, BRO?
Now I just sit in fear every time my nose tickles.